How to set up gifts on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can set up gifts on Instagram, whether you are a creator or a real viewer if you're just a normal Instagram browsing through Instagram. So first of all, for that you have to open up Instagram. Once you open up Instagram, come to your profile page, tap on the three lines icon, go to settings and privacy, go to creator tools and control. You want to make sure to switch your account type to a professional account. So once you switch your account type to a professional account or a creator account in general, what you have to do is now you have to add a payment method. So tap on the three lines icon again, go to settings and privacy. This time go to the option called orders and payments. Just tap on it, tap on payment methods. If you have a payment method such as credit or debit card, or maybe even PayPal, or maybe even ShopPay, you should be able to add them. So if it's credit or debit card, make sure you enter your credit card number, your CVV date, as well as a month or year. Tap on save and your payment method will be saved. If you have a PayPal account, you can just tap on add a PayPal account over here. You should be able to add your payment method. Now only once after you've actually added all those, you have to simply come back to your profile page, refresh it, go about posting your own reels. So if you are a creator who wants to set up gifts and receive gifts on Instagram, once you go ahead and then try to create a new post over here, tap on next. Under this option you will be able to find the option called add gifts or allow gift on reels. So only if you're eligible and if you're in a region where Instagram does allow gift. I'm in a region where Instagram doesn't allow gifts, so I'm not being able to find that option. But if you are, then you'll be able to find the option called add gift. You might also want to try to go to advanced settings and then allow gift on reels. Now if you're a person who's just browsing through Instagram just normally and then you want to send gift to a specific creator, while you're browsing, then when you scroll through it, you'll find the option called send gift right at the bottom left. When you try to send a gift, it'll ask you for your payment method and so on, and then you should be able to send them a gifts on Instagram. That's all it takes to send gifts on Instagram reels and then set up gifts on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.